Better Living Products 13545 VISO Frameless Shower Mirror. Fog-free, shatter-proof acrylic mirror. Chrome hook with integrated razor holder. Ultra lightweight and easy to hold in wet conditions. Clean and simple frameless design. Easily installs without tools, using industrial-strength double-faced tape, included. The VISO Shower Mirror makes grooming in the shower a much easier task for men and women alike. Modern and simplistic, the shower mirror has a stylish frameless design to prevent the accumulation of water and residue. The hook perfectly stores one razor and the mirror easily lifts off for an up-close shave. It's also simple to rinse the mirror under water and keep it from fogging up. Top reviews from the United States. Works. Clean the area for the adhesive strip. Hang the mirror on the mount, slip mirror off mount, rinse under shower water when ready to use, hang razor on mount when done. Simple, it works.